Hey everybody, I am so sorry. This just came to my attention. During office hours, I was walking somebody through the Florida virtual modules, and we realized something kind of alarming. I will do an example, and I will go to the very first one and show you what I mean. Okay, if you click on the module, it says 1.03, coming to America. Okay, so we open it up. And here it says 01 settlement 01.03 coming to America. That matches. You see one of three. Okay, so you scroll down, you look at the pictures, you do whatever that page says, you go to the next one, same thing. You do whatever it says there. Go to the third one. Okay, that is the end of this section 1.03. But if you look, you can keep going. And it takes you to section 1.04. Now, that is not the assignment. The assignment was 1.03. Okay, so I'm going to edit to say slides 1 through 3. Okay, because if you look and you go down to your next activity, it is 1.04. But the same thing happens. Except my laptop is slow. But the same thing happens. 1 of 6. Okay, you can work your way through slides 1 through 6. And look at that, it takes you straight into the next one, which hasn't been assigned. So if you're not careful, you're going to continue going past what is assigned. Now, ultimately, you're going to end up doing this module, so it's not the end of the world, but if you're sitting here and you're going after page after page after page and thinking, my gosh, social studies should not have this much work assigned to it, that might be one of the reasons. So just pay close attention. Okay, up here it's going to say what part of the module you're doing. So make sure that that number matches down here as well, and just be really careful. And I'm going to be very mindful that I put, pages 1 through 6 or whatever that is as a reminder. I did not realize that it did that. I only looked at each section. I did not keep going until we figured that out during office hours. So if you have any questions, please reach out and let me know, but make sure you are paying attention that this number matches this number, so you are on the same lesson. All right, good luck.